Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to Alex's Boathouse. In this video, we'll be priming and sanding, or sanding and priming, all of the parts for the 1947 Evinrude. Now, I'll be using paint and materials that you can get any place. There's nothing special about the paint that I'm going to get. I'm just using a Rust-Oleum primer and paint combination, which for me seems to work really good. So that's what I'm going to be using. Now the blue paint, I will probably have to order it because it'd be a special color that I would like to keep original on the gasoline tank. So we'll get ready and get going on this video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, subscribe, like, and make some comments. Okay, thank you. I'm going to get going. Here are all the parts in bags, all labeled. It'll make my job much easier putting it together. Here's a complete breakdown of the engine, all the parts. There's the water pump impeller, it's in good shape. Propeller. Here's a really neat thing. The screwdriver is in the tiller handle. You just unscrew it and there's a screwdriver. Now the power head needs a lot of cleaning. I had to make a little repair there. That plate was loose. Gas tank. Where the fuel gauge goes. Gas tank flap. Recoil cover. Prop is in really good shape. Bracket. I'll be buffing these so that I can see the Evinrude. I don't want to paint them. This is a test piece that I'm doing to see how the paint color is going to match. So far I really like the color of it. I'm going to go with this for the whole motor. We got all the sanding done on the Evinrude. A little tedious parts, but I got my little helper here. She wants to get in the video. So all the sanding's done. So next thing we have to do is get some self-etching primer and prime them up. So when I get to that stage, I'll be making another video. Okay, thanks for watching.